Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling to speak English fluently? Do you hesitate while talking or translate in your head before speaking? Then this video is just for you. Today, I am going to share the most effective tips and strategies to help you become fluent in spoken English, step by step and super simple. So grab a notebook, stay till the end, and let's begin your speaking English journey. Tip number 1: build a strong vocabulary. Learn new words every day, including common phrases and expressions. Look, you don't need to go directly to the big words that is very hard to pronounce. The more words you know, the easier it becomes to express your thoughts. Focus on spoken words used in daily life. For example, actually, by the way, you know how to do it. Keep a notebook or app to note new words. Use those words in a sentence. Tip number 2: master English pronunciation. What to learn? Learn the correct sound of English, especially tricky ones. Why it helps? Mispronunciation can cause misunderstanding. Speaking clearly boosts confidence. How to do it? Watch pronunciation videos on YouTube. Use apps like Google Pronunciation and practice tongue twisters for fluency. Tip number 3: practice speaking daily, even alone. What to do? Speak aloud in English every day, even if no one is around. Why it helps? Regular speaking practice reduces hesitation and builds confidence. How to do it? Talk to yourself about your day or plans. Record your voice and listen to your mistakes. Describe things around you in English. That would be helpful. Tip number 4: think in English. What to do? Try to stop translating from your native language. Think directly in English. Why it helps? Translation slows you down. Thinking in English improves natural fluency. How to do it? Start with simple thoughts. Simple thoughts in the sense that instead of saying मुझे भूख लगी है, you have to say I am hungry and it's hot today. Start with these kind of simple thoughts. Visualize scenes and describe them in English. Change your phone language to English for daily exposure. These kind of simple steps would definitely helpful to you. Tip number 5: listen to native speakers. What to do? Expose yourself to English through videos, podcasts, and conversations. Why it helps? Listening improves your understanding, tone, rhythm, and sentence structure. How to do it? Watch English movies, series, or YouTube with subtitles first, then without. Listen to English songs or podcasts. For example, the English we speak from BBC. Try to show downing. Listen and repeat exactly like the speaker. It would definitely helpful for you for speaking English as you are beginner. Tip number 6: join English speaking groups or practice partners. What to do? Practice English with real people. Why it helps? It boosts your confidence and improves fluency in real time conversations. How to do it? Let's talk about it. Find a study buddy or online speaking club. Ask friends or colleagues to speak with you in English. That would be very helpful. Improve your grammar for speaking. This is the tip number 7, and how to improve your grammar for speaking and what to do. Focus on basic grammar structures commonly used in speech. Why it helps? Good grammar avoids confusion and makes your sentence clearer. How to do it? Practice tenses, question forms, prepositions, and modal verbs. Use beginner friendly grammar books or YouTube lessons. Use grammar apps like Learn English, Grammar, or Grammarly. That would be very helpful. Use English in daily life. What to do? Replace your native language with English whenever possible. Why it helps? Constant usage makes English feel natural, not forced. How to do it? Write your shopping list or to do list in English. Talk to customer care or ask questions in English. Watch reels or short videos in English daily. Again, that would be a good step for you. Be confident and accept mistakes. What to do? Don't fear making mistakes, learn from them. Why it helps? Everyone makes mistakes while learning. Speaking confidently matters more than speaking perfectly. How to do it? Keep a positive mindset. That is really important. Don't wait for the perfect time or perfect sentence. Celebrate small wins like introducing yourself smoothly. Set goals and track progress. This is the last but not the least point of our video. What to do? Set small, specific goals like talking English for 10 minutes daily. Why it helps? Goals gives direction and keep you motivated. How to do it? Keep a journal of daily speaking practice. Record yourself weekly to compare improvement. And the last one, reward yourself after reaching each goal. That would be helpful for you. Remember, you can speak English fluently, no matter where you are starting from. Just follow these steps with a little patience and a lot of practice. Tell me in comments which step are you starting with today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy English learning videos. Thank you.